Hi, I'm Tina Quizon, and I just wanted to thank you folks, you viewers out there who have been watching Pathways to Paradise. I appreciate the feedback and that you keep track and let me know what you think about my content. And I wanted to share with you some of the upcoming stories that I will be discussing with you in the next several weeks. And I hope that you'll stay tuned and let me know what you think. Recently, I uncovered some documents, and they're out of the circuit court, and this is in regards to a breach of contract, and it's filed by the plaintiff, Malia Zimmerman, versus Samuel Slom. Now, several of you might recognize that name, Samuel Slom. Yes, that's our state senator. And I wanted to share with you in the next couple of weeks, and I've started writing some information on my blog also, about this actual court filing at the circuit court. And as I stated, this is for a breach of contract. And the reason I thought this was relevant, because Senator Slom was one of the people that was very much against the marriage equality and same-sex marriage, you know, and really he was touting his flag and God bless and creating rallies on what he claims is traditional marriage. But you know, after looking at this document and reading some of the past articles that have been out there, whether it's Dave Shapiro talking about the small clique between the Hawaii Reporter and Small Business Hawaii and Grassroots Institutes, or some of the news out there on disappearing news, I wanted to ask our senator, Senator Sam Slom, what do you mean traditional marriage? Because according to these documents, right here is a breach of contract where the plaintiff, who is Malia Zimmerman, is stating that after being in a relationship with you from the time she was 30 years old and you were 56, and were going through your divorce and then you were divorced, that you offered her to be in an exclusive relationship with the plaintiff, Malia Zimmerman, and to live with her for the rest of her life. Now, this is after you've already had 2 divorces, you know, and you've got 4 kids, 2 older kids and 2 in their early, maybe teens or early 20s. So it begs to question, what do you mean, Sam Slom, traditional marriage? Because according to this, here you were living with Miss Zimmerman for probably about a decade. And the relationship ended, according to the documents that we're reading together. You folks lived together on a property in Hawaii Kai from 2003 into 2013. And she is saying that you had told her she will be an equal owner. You said that, well, you know, we're not going to put your name on the deed. And so this whole thing of tradition, you know, what is tradition? You know, because according to this and other things I've read, you've been married twice already. Now you're living with a woman that files a complaint afterwards saying that you didn't keep your word. And you actually started a relationship at age 71 with a 26-year-old. Now, I know there's a lot of guys would say, wow, Sam, way to go, getting those young girls at your old ripe age. But to me, it speaks to a bigger question. What are we really getting from our legislators? You know, what are our senators really? Are they there for the people? Or are they just there to push their bully pulpit, to push their agendas. As I could see, he had been pushing all this against same-sex marriage, you know, wanting to deny people their rights, wanting to really poke his nose into who it is someone else loves, is how I look at it, you know, and yet his own values, he did not see fit to put his girlfriend, Malia Zimmerman, on the deed of a home that she was paying the mortgage and other things, got the roof done and painted and regular house cleaning. And so I thought, you know, this is something I want to share with the public and with the constituents, because is this the person we really want in office representing us? When, you know, he says traditional, you know, and you see him draped in with that flag behind him. And I found a really awkward picture where he's in the cowboy hat and he's got his little toy pony. And that to me really seemed to reflect more what is going on in his most recent occurrences. You know, this poor woman thought that she was going to be with him for the rest of his life, that she claims that he told her time and time and again that even though he did not put her name on the deed, the property, you know, that she would be the equal owner and it would be in her name, she would inherit it. And so to me, this really deserves some full investigation, and to let you, the community, know, to question, you know, what are we really getting from our senators and what is their real agenda? So I want to thank you folks for following me throughout the years on Pathway to Paradise, and I'm on every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. and stay tuned. Thank you.